Hi friends, after a long time I have made a new soup today. It's a soup which you get in Nepal and Sikkim, Thupka soup. So I'm going to show you how it has been made by giving you a link on YouTube from which I made it. But I'll show you how it has come out. So hang on. One of the things that is required and it goes well with the soup is garlic bread, and Maya is making garlic butter, which will be, I hope, spread well and then cooked well with the bread so that it enhances the aroma of the bread and the thupka soup becomes outstanding. As you can see, these are some noodles. They've just been made and the soup is getting reheated to make it piping hot. And I'm trying to coincide that with the hot bread, which is also going to come out with the garlic butter, so that it's all ready for eating. Now the garlic bread is getting warmed up. Wow. Unfortunately, the video doesn't catch the smell, but it's so nice. Smelling so nice. This is the thupka soup, and that is going to be poured on these noodles which are already ready. You can keep it in your hand if you want. Nice.
Tail, butter.
But what saru thai, things have to be really thick in every sense to make it nice.
Bas.
Okay, thank you very much. And the garlic plate to go with it, all set.